Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Sign into Genie AI, verify your email, and enable two-factor authentication for immediate security. Next, pick or create a workspace and set the primary language so prompts behave predictably. Connect one data source, for example Google Drive or a CSV, to seed context. Once done, install the desktop client or open the web app. Grant only necessary permissions, and set role access levels so collaboration starts cleanly. Now you move into the complex middle, building and refining prompts so Genie AI returns reliable results. Start with a precise system prompt that states role, goal, constraints, and output format that guides behavior. Then run iterative tests, try 3 to 5 prompt variations, compare outputs and tweak temperature, max tokens, or length controls to balance creativity versus consistency. Break larger tasks into stepwise chains of thought. Use templates or dynamic variables, and make sure to label examples so the model learns the pattern quickly. Finish by validating and deploying your workflow, and plan one clear troubleshooting tip. Validate outputs against 5 representative examples so you catch edge cases, log errors, and desired corrections in the workspace. Deploy through the API, a webhook, or built-in automation, and monitor usage, rate limits, and costs so surprises don't derail production. If the model output drifts or becomes inconsistent, reset the conversation context, refine the prompt with a failing example, or roll back to the last known good template. This single step
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.